Everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with a brand new video where I will show you how you can easily switch to a professional account on Instagram. So if you are an influencer, blogger or any creator, you can easily switch to a professional account on Instagram from your regular account, as it will give you more insights into your Instagram and you will be able to get a lot of information about your followers, and that will eventually help you to increase your following on Instagram. So if you are interested, make sure you watch the video till the end, and now let's get started. First of all, you just need to open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged into your Instagram, for which you want to switch it to a professional account. Now, you have to tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, you just have to tap the three lines at the top right, and this will give you this option, Get Insights. Alright, so press that, and now it will tell you that you can learn more about your audience by getting insights about your post by adding creator tools to your account. So press continue. So with a professional account, you get access to tools such as insights about your followers and account performance, new contact options and more. Alright, so you just have to press continue to start with your professional account. So this is just information that you can go through. You can learn about your followers with the help of insights, get insights about your followers and see how your posts are performing. So with the help of a professional account, you will be able to analyze how your posts are performing, every single post, and you can even do the comparison, and this will give you a scope for improvement. All right, so press continue. And you can even create ads on Instagram. Once you are able to reach a good amount of followers, you can even create ads so that you can even reach more people and build your community. So press continue. And then you will even get a contact button on your profile if you run a brand or business, so that people can easily get in touch with you if they find something interesting. All right. So again, press continue. And now what you need to do is you have to select a category for your Instagram account. So this will help people find accounts like yours. You can change this at any time. So just for now, you have to select any category that you think best suits your business or brand or your account. All right, so you will be given a lot of categories to choose from, as you can see. So whatever account you have, or whatever business you run, depending on that, you can select a category out of these. And once you are done with selecting the category, simply press done. Now the next thing you need to do, if you are a creator or you're going to run a business, all right, so that's two different things. So you have to select accordingly and then press next. So that's all you need to do to get started with your professional account on Instagram. Your creator account is ready. You now have more tools to connect with your audience on Instagram. You can also connect your account to a Facebook page and edit, display or hide your contact and category info at any time. So that's all you need to do to switch to a professional account on Instagram. That was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. And if you have any doubts or queries and feedback or suggestions for my next video, do let me know in the comment section down below. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.